Welcome to today's lesson on contraception, where we will explore the various treatments that can be used to prevent pregnancy. This includes hormonal treatments, such as the contraceptive pill, the use of physical barriers, and surgical methods to permanently prevent fertilization. In today's lesson, we will look at detailed explanations of hormonal treatments, specifically the contraceptive pill, followed by an examination of physical barriers like condoms. Lastly, we will cover surgical methods such as vasectomies and tubal ligation, which provide permanent solutions to prevent fertilization. So far, you have learned about homeostasis and the role of hormones in puberty. This foundational knowledge allows us to understand how hormonal treatments can be used to regulate and prevent pregnancy effectively. Understanding these contraceptive methods is a crucial step in advancing our biological understanding. It not only provides insights into how we can control and manage reproduction, but also helps in the development of effective family planning strategies and reducing unintended pregnancies. Let's get started. To understand how different contraception methods work, it is crucial to first know what contraception aims to achieve. Contraception involves preventing the fertilization of the egg and sperm, or the implantation of the fertilized egg into the uterus. Hormones play a significant role in controlling fertility. One popular hormonal method is the contraceptive pill, which is an oral contraceptive that uses female hormones to prevent pregnancy. Let's dive into how this works. The contraceptive pill contains low doses of estrogen and progesterone, two key female hormones. These hormones inhibit the release of FSH, follicle-stimulating hormone, by the pituitary gland, preventing eggs from maturing. The pill achieves contraception in several ways, by stopping the uterus lining from developing and making the mucus in the cervix thicker, which prevents sperm from getting through. While very effective, the pill can have side effects such as thrombosis, raised blood pressure, and breast pain or tenderness. The progesterone-only pill is an alternative to the mixed pill that contains only progesterone. This pill has fewer side effects, but must be taken regularly to be effective. Failing to do so can enable the body's own hormones to take over, allowing fertilization to occur. Hormonal contraceptives can also be delivered through means other than pills. Let's go through a few. The contraceptive patch is a small 5 by 5 centimeters patch applied to the skin, where it releases a mixture of estrogen and progesterone directly into the blood. A contraceptive implant is a small rod inserted under the skin of the arm that releases progesterone continuously for up to 3 years. A contraception injection is an injection of progesterone that lasts for 2 to 3 months. An intrauterine device, IUD, is a T-shaped device inserted into the uterus. There are two types. Plastic IUDs release progesterone, while copper IUDs create an environment in the uterus that is toxic to sperm. Plastic IUDs can last for 5 to 10 years. Another method of contraception involves physical barriers to prevent sperm from reaching the egg. Condoms are worn over the penis during intercourse. Condoms prevent sperm from entering the vagina. They also offer protection against sexually transmitted diseases. A diaphragm is a plastic cup that fits over the cervix, acting as a barrier to sperm. To be effective, it is used with a spermicide, a substance that kills sperm. Spermicide alone is less effective, with only a 70 to 80% success rate. For those seeking permanent solutions, surgical methods can be considered. One is a vasectomy. In this procedure, the sperm ducts are cut and tied, preventing sperm from entering the semen. A tubal ligation can be performed, in which the oviducts, tubes that connect the ovaries to the uterus, are cut or tied, preventing eggs from reaching the uterus. This procedure requires general anesthetic and is considered permanent. While scientific knowledge about contraception is paramount, decisions involving contraceptives often involve ethical and personal considerations. On the one hand, contraception can prevent unwanted pregnancies and pregnancies that may pose health risks for the mother. However, some people have religious or ethical objections to the use of contraceptives. Today's lesson covered various pregnancy prevention methods. We discussed hormonal treatments like the contraceptive pill, patches, injections, implants, and IUDs, which prevent ovulation by regulating hormones. We also explored physical barriers such as condoms, diaphragms, and cervical caps, which block sperm from reaching the egg. Condoms additionally protect against STIs. We then examine permanent surgical methods like vasectomy and tubal ligation, which prevent fertilization by cutting or sealing reproductive pathways. The lesson highlighted the importance of understanding each method's effectiveness and suitability, as well as their health, personal, and social implications. You should now have a clearer understanding of contraception methods and how to make informed choices about reproductive health.